Today we're checking out the LED DRL Projector Headlights with chrome housings and clear lenses for the 2009 to 2014 F-150s with the factory halogen headlights. If your headlights are feeling dated or you just want a cleaner look with better visibility, this is the kind of upgrade that makes the front end look newer and more modern instantly, so they're definitely worth looking into. These headlights are going to give you two big upgrades in one shot. The modern style of the LED daytime running light bars and a more focused, stronger light output. The projector lens design helps tighten up the beam pattern so you get a cleaner, more controlled light at night compared to the scattered look you get with the older housings. On top of that, you're getting the built-in LED daytime running lights, which is a huge bump in modern style, so your truck stands out more from the pack and it gives your front end that updated, higher end look without having to add separate strips or any custom wiring. The chrome housing and clear lens combo gives that bright and clean look, which is great if you're going for a more classic but polished appearance instead of a blacked out theme. These are also designed to integrate clean into the truck's factory halogen headlight housing brackets, so you get that direct fit style instead of having to mess with universal lights that never sit right and they always just look a little bit off once they're mounted. If you want your F-150 to look sharper and more modern, be more noticeable during the day, and feel confident at night, this is a solid all-around upgrade that's definitely worth considering. When it comes to the construction on these, you are getting durable housings with a chrome finish and a clear lens along with LED daytime running lights and a projector lens setup designed for long-term use and consistent light output. These are high-quality lenses that aren't going to fade or get hazy like those stock lights tend to do. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in that low $300 price range. That's a solid value for a full headlight housing upgrade that adds daytime running lights and projector style lighting, especially compared to cheaper options that cut corners on fitment and end up looking cloudy or uneven down the road. When it comes to the install on these, they're gonna get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in just 2 hours of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you need a 3/8 ratchet, a 10mm socket, a pair of pliers, and a pair of wire strippers. Today we're going to be installing headlights on our F-150, but first we're going to watch a quick uninstall video and we'll meet you right here when you get back.
All right, step number 1, we pop the hood. We're going to focus on our passenger side headlight. There are 2 10mm bolts at the top, and you're going to pull this flap aside, and there's one on the inside toward your grill. So I got my 10 socket on my impact gun. Let's get these 3 out of the way. All right, from there, just pull your headlight straight off. All right, once you have that off, just pinch and disconnect your harnesses. If you need to, you can use a flathead to help pull this off. Perfect. All right, now we can set this aside.
Now that we have the stock assembly out, we can now transfer a couple bulbs over into our new assembly. All right, to get these out and get these transferred over, we're gonna push down and twist and remove the entire bulb, and then transfer right over, push down, and twist back in. Again with our parking light, and twist and lock that in place. Now for our DRLs, we're gonna cut back a couple pieces of these wires and strip it back with our wire strippers. And the same thing with our negative. And now we can place our connector on here and get this crimped down. Once you have those 2 connectors on there, you can now repeat for the other side. Now to get our daytime running lights wired in, we're gonna go straight into our parking lights. We're gonna use these T-taps that we have here. Again, you can use whatever means necessary to get your lights wired up. We're just gonna tap onto the wires just like this, close the clamp over and squeeze that down, 1 on each wire so we can get them connected. And you can use a pair of pliers to squeeze this down. Once you get your T-taps installed and you get them squeezed down, you can now repeat for the other side. Now we can install our headlight and connect our connectors. And now we can connect our running lights into the parking light. Now we can slide our headlight back into place. Now we can put in our 10mm screws, get that one started, and we can tighten down using our 10mm socket. And now for our last bolt, tuck our flap out of the way and get this threaded in. And we can tighten this down using our 10mm socket. Once you get your connectors in and your headlight installed, you can now repeat for the other side. That wraps up our install for LED DRL Projector Headlights, chrome housing with clear lens for 09 to 14 F-150 with factory halogen headlights. Just remember, for everything F-150 related, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.